Imagine taking every step without pain. No sharp pinch in your lower back when you walk, bend, or simply get out of bed. Today, I bring you news that could completely transform your mobility. Strengthening your sacroiliac joint is easier than most people think, and with the right movements, you can start feeling relief within minutes. Recent clinical reviews are revealing something surprising. Many cases of lower back pain don't come from the discs at all. They come from the small, often ignored SI joint. The good news? You can stabilize it right at home without any special equipment. And results are so fast that thousands of people are talking about them. The sacroiliac joint acts like a shock absorber between your spine and your legs. When it becomes unstable, every step triggers tiny shifts that irritate nerves and surrounding tissues. That's why the first essential move is the gluteus medius activation. Lie on your side and slowly lift your top leg so the outer hip muscles begin stabilizing your pelvis. Then add the bridge. Lie on your back and lift your hips while squeezing your glutes to strengthen the back support system. Finish with controlled mobility. Bring one knee to your chest at a time to ease tension and restore movement without strain. If you practice these exercises consistently, your SI joint can regain the stability needed for smooth, pain-free movement. Give your body this chance, and you'll feel the difference sooner than you think. Ready to walk freely again?